Good day, everyone. Okay, today we are going to continue with our combined operations on sets. Okay, in the last live lesson, we already discussed how to shape the Venn diagram according to different combined operations. Okay, today it is very similar to the shading of the Venn diagram, but now we are going to list the elements, right? So we are going to discuss three big questions along the way to make sure that you understand, all right? Now look at example 1 here. Okay, let's read the questions together. Okay, given that the universal set, there's a universal set 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Set P 4, 5, 6, 7, and set Q 6, 7, 12, 13. Right? And R, okay, 7, 11, 12. Okay, find the following sets. Find the following sets, meaning that you have to list down their elements, right? So for A, P intersect Q union with R. Right? Simple. If you remember the last lesson, the rules for the combined operations is you do from the left to the right. Right? And we are going to do that without using the Venn diagram. Alright? So here it is. Okay, we are going to do the A first. So since I'm going to do from left to right, okay, I'm going to do P intersect Q first. Okay, I'm going to list down the element for P intersect Q like so. Okay, P intersect Q. So what are the elements for P intersect Q's? The common element for P and Q, right? So P is 4, 5, 6, 7. Q is 6, 7, 12, 13. So the common element is 6 and 7. Right? Now I can union with R, right? So what is R? What are the elements in R? 7, 11, and 12. Therefore, P intersect Q union R is 6, 7, okay, 11, and 12. Right, there you go. This is the answer for A. Okay, now let's move on for B. Let's move to B. Right, I'll go over here. B. So again, remember the rules. You do from left to right, but if there is a bracket, you do what is in the bracket first. Alright, so this is P union in bracket Q intersect R. So we have to do what is in the bracket first. Okay, I'm going to list down Q intersect R. Q intersect R. Right, so what are the Q intersect R? The common element in Q and R, right? So they are 7 and 12. 7 and 12. Therefore, P union Q intersect R, because this is union, you simply add them up, right? What are the elements in P? 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So 4, 5, 6, 7, and the element in Q intersect R is 7 and 12. Okay, no need to repeat the 7, just add on 12. There you go. This is the answer for B. Right? Now let's go for C, right? Okay, I'm going to erase all this. Right, C. Let me erase off this first. Right, C. So there are two brackets. We need to do what is in the bracket first, right? So P intersect Q. Let's list down the element for P intersect Q. So what are the element of P intersect Q? Just now we did that already, right? 6 and 7. What are the elements of Q intersect R? We did that as well just now. Q intersect R is 7 and 12. Now you need to union these two brackets. Okay, this is in bracket, right? This is in bracket. So you just union them. Okay, what does the union mean? What does the union mean? The union simply means add them both up. Alright? If there is same element, there's no need for you to repeat them. Right, there you go. This is the answer for C. Right, this is the answer for C. Now let's move to the last question for this example. Donkey. P intersect in bracket Q prime union with R. Right. Easy, right? So I'm going to erase this off. You can reverse the video if you need to see the answer. All right. Okay, donkey. So again, the rules is you need to do what is in the bracket first. Q prime union R, got Q prime. Now I know what is in the R, right? What are the elements for R? But the problem is the Q prime. Okay, what are the Q prime? Okay, to do it step by step, I'm going to list down the element for Q prime. What does the prime mean? What does the prime mean? Outside of Q, right? So if you look at the questions, the elements for Q is 6, 7, 12, and 13. So Q prime simply means everything except 6, 7, 12, and 13, which I'm going to list down here. Everything in the universal set except 6, 7, 12, and 13. Therefore, it is 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Alright, this is Q prime. So, we do it further. Q prime union R. What does the union mean? Simply means add them up, right? So we have our Q prime, we have our R. So therefore I need to add 7, 11, 12 into my Q, right? So 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and what else? 12, last one, right? So it is best for you to list down the element in ascending order or in alphabetical order, right? So there you go. This is our bracket. Now, this intersect with P, right? Intersect with P. Therefore, okay, I'm going to list down the thing that I want to find. Okay, P intersect with Q prime union R. Right? Can you do that? What does the intersect mean? Intersect simply means find the common element for this set and set P. Alright, so look at your answer over here and look at the set P over here. What are the common elements? Okay, I'm sure you can see that already. The answer is 4, 5, 6, no 6, right? And 7. There you go. This is the answer for donkey. Alright? Okay, good. Right, the table below shows the hobbies for a group of pupils. So I'm not going to read everything for you. So we have Arif, Zarif, Lily, Amy, Geta, Aris, Ellen, May, Jay, Nani. Right. Yeah. Okay. There are how many students here? 10 pupils with hobby of singing and drawing and dancing. Okay, 3 hobbies, right? So you are given set P for pupils who like singing, set Q pupils who like dancing, and set R pupils who like drawing. Okay, based on the above table, list all the elements of the following sets. Right, P union Q intersect with R. Right now. Now, if the question is in this form, I don't know. Okay, I don't know what other. Actually, okay, if it is presented in this way, it is difficult for us to find the element in the combined operation, right? So it is better for you to list down the name of the pupils who like singing in set P, the names of the pupils who like dancing in set Q, and so on, right? Which I'm going to do just that. here. All right. So this time I'm going to type. Okay, I'm going to type it out. The set P, set Q, and set R. It may take some time, but bear with me. All right. So P. So P equals to equal bracket. So who are they? Who are the pupils who like singing? Let me reverse. Okay, P is singing, right? Singing. Okay, Arif. We have Arif, comma. We have Amy. We have Iris. We have Ellen. We have J. Right? So this is set P. Okay, set Q. Right, set Q. Set Q is the are the pupils who like dancing, right? Dancing. Lily. Lily. Comma. Amy. Iris. Ellen. May. Nani. Right? There you go. Okay. Last set, set R equals to. So set R is the name of the pupils who like drawing. Okay, drawing. So Zarif, drawing guitar. Iris, main, and J. Right? Did I miss anything? Okay, hopefully I didn't miss anything. Okay, so singing, we have singing group, set P as a singing, set Q as dancing, set R drawing. Alright, so now we can solve the problem. Okay, A, list all the elements of the following sets. Okay, P union Q. Okay, P union Q. So refer to the information that I just written down. That I just written down. So I'm going to write the answer over here. Okay, A. Okay, A. So again, you do what is in the bracket first. P union Q. Okay, so I'm going to list out P union Q over here. P union Q. So P union Q, simply add P, the elements in P and Q together. So Arif, Lily, Arif, Amy, Iris, Ellen, J, Lily, Amy written already, Iris, Ellen written already, May, Nani. Right? These are the elements in P union Q. Right? P union Q intersect with R. Intersection, right? So what does the intersection means? P union Q intersect with R, right? So intersecting means you have to what? You have to find the common element for the P set P union Q and set R. So look at set P union Q and set R. What are the set R? Set R is over here, right? Okay. So look at these two sets and find their common elements, and that is your answer, right? So which are the common one? May, right? May. What else? J. What else? Iris. Any more? Theta is not there, there is not there, right? So this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer for A1. P union Q intersect with R. Alright? So I'm going to erase everything off. Right? I missed. Okay, let me erase off again. Right, here. Right. Okay. Next questions. Let me zoom in a bit. Okay, next question. This one. Q union in bracket P intersect R. So we need to do what is in the bracket first. P intersect R. P intersect R, right? Which I'm going to write down here. This is 2, right? P intersect R, right? So intersections means the common elements for P and R, right? So look at P and R. What are the common elements? Iris. What else? J. P and R. Iris and J only, right? Okay, good. So this is P intersect R. So Q union. Okay, Q union P intersect R is simply what? Simply add up all the elements for Q and P intersect R, right? So list them down. So I'm going to list down P intersect R first because it is there already, Iris and J, right? So what are the elements in Q? Lily, Amy, Iris, Ellen, May, and Nani. Right? So there you go. This is the answer for Q union in bracket P intersect R. Alright? Move on to the B1. Draw a Venn diagram and shade the region. Represent each of the following sets. Okay, we are to draw the Venn diagram. Okay, if you notice, the compound operation is exactly the same in Y is in the A. Alright? So the way I shade should coincide with the elements in A1. Alright? So I'm going to draw the Venn diagram. 3 circles overlapping with each other. Set P, set Q, and set R. Alright? So remember, okay, now I want to fill in the names into the Venn diagram. Remember, always fill in from inside to outside. Okay, I'm going to type it in. Iris. So what is the name of the pupil who like all the 3 hobby? Iris only, right? Iris. There. Right? So Iris. So now I want to check P and R. So P, singing and drawing, right? What is the name of the people who like singing and drawing? Singing and drawing. Singing and drawing is J, right? Only one person like that. So J. Okay, J, J-A-Y. There. Right? So P and Q, intersection of P and Q. The name of the pupils who like singing and dancing, Amy, Ellen, Amy and Ellen. There are two pupils who like singing and dancing, Amy and Ellen, right? Amy, Ellen, right? Amy, Ellen, there. Okay, Amy and Ellen. So now intersection for Q and R over here, Q and R. So Q and R, pupils who like dancing and drawing, What is the name of the people who like dancing and drawing? Only one person, right? Only one pupil, May. So here, May. Okay, type it out, May, M-A-Y. Right? May. Now we can fill in the outer ring already. Okay, now let's fill in the P first. The people who like singing only. So they are Arif. No more. Okay, only one person who likes singing only. So this is Arif. There. Q. Okay, who like dancing only? Who are the person who like dancing only? Lily and Nani. Lily, Nani, right? Okay, Lily and Nani. Right? Done. Now, what is the name of the people who like drawing only? Drawing. Zarif, Geta. Zarif and Geta only, right? Good. Zarif and Geta. Zarif, Geta. Right, cool. Okay, now we fill in every name already. Okay, we fill in all the names already. Okay, double check whether all the names have been filled in. Okay, I have supposed to have filled 10 names, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, good. Now all the 10 names are filled in already. Now our job now is to shape, right? So again, same rules. Do what is in the bracket first, P union Q. So what is P union Q? Okay, I'm going to highlight it. P union Q using highlight pen. So for P union Q, I'm supposed to highlight this section, P union Q, right? All the P and Q, right? So I should highlight all these 5 sections. Alright, I'm going to change the highlight pen colors. Intersecting with R, right? Intersecting, what does the intersecting means? Okay, the area of the orange that touch the set R, right? Set R. So which part, okay, which of the 5 highlighted 10 orange highlighting touch the set R? This, and this, right? So there are three areas that touch the intersecting with R, right? Therefore the answer is J, Iris and May. Okay, J, Iris and May. Okay, so let me undo it and then do it for you. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, this is the way the cross area is, right? So this is the answer for B1. Okay, this is the answer for B1, right? This is the answer for B1. Alright, so the answer for the shaded region should coincide with A1. Okay, take a look back at the answer A1. Now let's do what is in the B2, Q union with in bracket P intersect R. Alright, let me undo it. Alright, good. So again, we need to do what is in the bracket first. Okay, change it into highlight pen. So we have to do what is the bracket first. P intersect R. Which part is the P intersect R? Here and here, right? P intersect R. Union with Q. So union is an easy question. Union with Q. So which part of the Q I should highlighting? Here, here, and here, right? Okay, all these are the area of the union Q. Therefore, what is the answer? Okay, the answer is all the orange color, right? So this is the answer. This is the answer for B2. This is the answer for B2. Okay, the answer is Lily, Nani, Amy, Ellen, Iris, May, and J. Okay, the answer should coincide with A2. Okay, if you check back. Right, next example. Okay, it is given that universal set x is an integer between 30 and 40 inclusive. Set A, x is a multiple of 3. Set B, x is a number such that the sum of its two digits is odd. Set C, 30, 32, 35, 39, and 40. List all the elements of the following sets. Alright, now it is important for you to list down all the elements in universal set, set A, set B, and set C separately first before you start doing anything. Right? Here. So here I've listed down all the elements in universal set, set A, set B, and set C down here. And down here. The universal set is in between 30 and 40, all the integers inclusive. Set A, multiples of 3 in between 30 and 40, right? So 30, 33, 36, and 39. Set B, the number such that is two digits added up together is an odd number. Okay, it means that, like for example, 30 means 3 plus 0. 3 plus 0 equals to 3, an odd number. Therefore, it is in set B. 32, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 is an odd number. Therefore, it is in set B, and so on. So 30, 32, 34, 36, and 38 are the elements for set B. So set C, it is listed down in the questions already. So now we have all the elements. We can start solving the problem. List all the elements for the following sets. Alright, I'm going to move it here. And let's start now. Okay, A union B prime intersect with C. So we have to do what is in the bracket first. Okay, A union B. Okay, it is not difficult. You can actually look at the set A and set B. A union B simply means the total elements, right? All the elements 30, 32, 33, 34, 36, 38, and 39. A union B prime, what does it mean? It means that everything outside of set A and set B. Everything outside of set A and set B, okay, as long as it is not including the element in set A and set B. Therefore, A1, A union B prime. Okay, I'm going to list down A union B prime here. So as everything in the universal set, as long as it is not set A and set B, that is your A union B prime. So 31, here 31 is not in set A and set B, right? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 6, 37, 38, and 40, right? So this is A union B prime. How do I get these four numbers? Because these four numbers is in the universal set, but not in A union B. Okay, that's how I get my numbers for A union B prime. So A union B prime intersect with C. Intersection. So you look at, let me highlight it for you. You look at the elements for A union B prime and set C. Alright, so A union B prime intersect with C equals to the common element within these two sets. So what are the common elements? 35, what else? And 40. There you go, this is A1, right? This is A1. So now let's look at A2. A prime intersect with B union C. Now B union C is easy. I'm not going to list down again. Okay, you just look at B and C. All together, they are B union C. So what is A prime? Okay, I'm going to list down the A prime here. So this is A number 2. Okay, I'm going to list down A prime here. Okay, A prime means everything outside of A, right? As long as it is not 30, 33, 36, 39, everything else is A prime. Okay, so we have 31, 32, 34, 35, 36 got already, 37, 38, 39 got already, 40. Therefore, A prime intersect with B union C. B union C is, okay, so what you are supposed to be looking at? So look at all the A prime here. And look at B and C. B and C. Right? What are the common elements? That is your answer because it is intersecting, right? That is your answer. So what are the elements that appear in both 32, 34, what else? 35, 37, no, 38 got, and 40. Okay, there you go. This is the answer. This is the answer. Right, intersection. Finding the common element for A prime and B union C. Right, A3. A intersects C prime union with B intersects C, right? Okay, therefore I'm going to list down A intersects C first. A intersects C. So look at set A and set C. 30 and what? 39, right? 30 and 39 are the common elements, right? 30 and 39. Therefore, A intersects C prime. Okay, remember to put the bracket. Is everything except 30 and 39, right? So it is 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, and 40. Right? This is your B intersects C prime. Okay, B intersects C. B intersects C is you just look at set B and set C. What are the common elements? 30 and 32, right? 30 and 32. Now, A intersect C prime union with B intersect C is simply just look at these two sets. Just look at these two sets. You just union them, add them up. Okay, just add them up. So we have every number already. We have almost every number. Okay, which I'm going to list down here one by one: 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 36, 37, 38. Do we have 39? No 39, right? There's no 39, 40. We have almost all the elements in the universal set, right? So therefore, this is the answer for A3. Right? You do what is in the bracket first, then you union them. That's all. Right? Right. Next B1. Draw a Venn diagram and share the reason to represent each of the following sets. Okay, again, it is exactly the same as the question A, only this time we need to share. Right? We need to share. Okay, we talked about this in the last example, in the previous lesson, right? Okay, again I'm going to focus on drawing correct Venn diagram first, right? So Venn diagram, 3 sets with a universal set. So 3 circles. Three circles with a rectangle outside. Of course, there's a universal set. Right, I hope there's enough, right? Set P, set Q, set R, right? Sorry, set A, set B, set C, set A, set B, set C. Okay, now I'm going to write the numbers inside my Venn diagram. So again, I'm going to fill in from inside to outside. So look at set A and set B and set C. What is the number that appear in 3 sets? What is the number that appear in 3 sets? 30, right? Only 30. 30. Okay, type 30. Right, done. Okay, set A and set B. Okay, what is the number that appear in set A and set B? Set A and set B over here. So I have 30 already, set A and set B, 32, 33, 34, okay, 36. Okay, 36 appear in set A and set B. So I should write 36 right over here. Right, 36 here. 36, done. Alright, So set A and set C. Okay, look at set A and set C. 30 written already. 32, 33, 35, 36, 39. 39 appear in both set A and set B, set C, right? So 39 should be right over here. Only 39. 39. Done. Alright, good. Now set B and set C. Set B and set C. Okay, look at set B and set C. 30 written already. 32. Any more? 32 only, right? There's only 32. Okay, 32 in B and C here. Okay, 32. Right, done. Now I can fill in the outer ring. Okay, look at set A. Look at set A. I fill in 36. I fill in 30, 36, and 39 already. Okay, 36, 39, and 30 already. So what is left? 33, right? So 33 will appear here. 33, 33. Done. So look at set B. I fill in 32, 30, and 36 already. Set B. So what is left? 34 and 38. So 34 and 38 will appear here. Set B. 34 and 38. Sorry, 34. 38. Okay, done. So look at set C. For set C, I fill in 30, 32, 39 already. 30, 32, okay. So what is left is 35 and 40. 35 and 40. Right over here. 35 and 40. Right. Now, what should be filled in outside of the ring? So, outside of set A, set B, set C are the numbers between 30 and 40. It's not inside here, right? So I have 30 already. I don't have 31. So 31 is here. 31. Okay. What else? 32 I have already. 33 got already. 34 got. 35. 36. 37 don't have. 37 don't have. Okay, so fill in 37. 38 got already, 39 got already, 40 already. Okay, now the Venn diagram is complete. Now I can start shading already. Alright, so again, same rules. Do from the left to the right. Have bracket, do bracket first. Okay, so A union B prime. Where is A union B prime? Okay, I'm going to use the highlight pen. Alright, A union B prime. So A union B prime simply means that I have to shade everything outside of A and B, right? So which area I should shade? Here and outside, right? This is A union B prime. Intersect with C. So intersecting, you have to cross it, right? You have to cross your color, your highlight pen, right? So intersecting with C. So which of these two sections is intersecting with C? Here, right? Therefore, the answer is here. This is the answer, right? There's no need for you to color the outside because it intersects already. Okay, let me undo it and color it for you more clearly. So this is the answer for B1. This is the answer for B1. Right, now let's move on to B2. Let me undo it. B2. So A prime intersect with B union C. Okay, it is okay. We do from the left. We do what is in the bracket first. B union C. Where is B union C? Highlight pen. B union C is here. I should shade over here, 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 and here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I should shade this 6 area to indicate B union C. B union C. Intersect with A prime. Intersecting with A prime. So what is the meaning of A prime? Outside of A, right? So where is the area of outside of A? Intersecting. So B union C. Okay, think about this. Okay, think about this carefully. This is B union C, right? Where I was highlighting. Okay, where I was highlighting right now. Which part of the orange color is intersecting with A prime outside of A? Cross it. Okay, I'm going to cross it. This area, this is outside of A, this is outside of A, and this is outside of A. Therefore, this is your answer. These three area here is your answer. Okay, so let me undo it. Here, this is your answer. This area, and this area. Right? So this is the answer for B2. Alright? Okay, B3. B3. Highlight pen. So there are two brackets, A intersects C prime. So where is A intersects C prime? A intersects C, where is A intersects C? A intersects C is right, the small area right here, right? The small area right here. This is A intersects C. A intersects C prime is every area outside of these two areas, right? So A intersects C prime is here, here, and outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this 6th area is A intersects C prime. Union with B intersects C. So where is B intersects C? Where is B intersects C? Okay, I'm going to use the same color. Okay, different color. So where is B intersects C? B intersects C is here and here, right? And here. Because this is union. Okay, union of the two brackets. So no need to look for the cross. As long as that area is color, that is your answer. Okay, I'm going to use the orange color, right? So I need to color here. I need to color here, here. 39, no need to color, right? Here and outside, right? So only 39 is not color. Okay, if you look at the answer in A3, you should got the answer. Every number outside of 39 is the element for this A3. Right, therefore this is the answer for B3. Okay, alright, I hope my explanation today is helpful for you. If you need more explanations, okay, tell me in the Google Classroom so that I can choose a few more questions about this and talk about this on this Thursday. Alright, so that's all for today. Remember to do the attachment and ciao.